Okay, what he said, what Roland Barthes says, text is a symbol, already it is discussed. It's a sign. Similarly, when you are dealing with a particular question, you should concentrate, you should focus on the topic given to you. We are discussing Roland Barthes under the umbrella of linguistic studies. Within the linguistic studies, we have again the specific focus, specific point. The point is structuralism. Okay, structuralism. So what is very important when you are giving answer to this question? Answer must be like this, that Roland Barthes rejects glorification or worshipping the author. It doesn't mean that he has no respect for the author. He rejects the supremacy of the text. It does not mean that he has no respect for the text. But his concern is, if you think in other way, many other meanings are possible. Many other truths are possible. Many approaches of certain realities are possible. Okay, this is the concern of the criticism that is structuralism. Okay, so even in the examination, it's very, very important to you people, for the students, that you have to mention the title structuralism and linguistics repeatedly, now and then, here and there. Okay, you say whatever, your argument may be anything, but your focus must be on the linguistics and structuralism. You have to answer all the questions within this structure of structuralism. Okay, now we will go little ahead. Today we will go to fourth important argument of Roland Barthes in case of work to the text. Okay, what he said, what he's saying, what is his concern. The very important observation, fourth observation of the Roland Barthes is, he says, text is it has many versions, many facets. Okay, it is not single. It's not single either in its meaning or in its result. He says it has many angles. At a time it is playing various roles. ಬಹಳ ಚಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಠ್ಯ ಬಹುರೂಪಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಇದೆ ಬಹುರೂಪಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ 12th centuryಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ respect to the labor, the very concept of the Basavanna. So there was a fellow, his name is Bahurupi Chaudaya. Who was Chaudaya? Chaudaya was a Bahurupi. Who was Bahurupi? Bahurupi is a man who is assigned a kind of work. What is the work assigned to a Bahurupi? He has to he has to go village to village. He has to wander. He must be nomadic, and he has to wander whole the state, and he must propagate the best of the message of Ramayana, Mahabharata, Mahakavya, whatever the best in the world of the spiritual practices. Bahurupi. So Roland Barthes is saying text is Bahurupi. Text has various meanings. Okay, while reading the text, if at all it is a play, while performing a text, even while listening to the text, even during the time of preparing for the text or writing the text, it has different meanings. and these meanings are different from one to another. Okay, so al. Even beyond that, for example, you are reading a particular text. For example, Albert Camus, Outside you are reading.